to replacing the air filter for the 2005 ML350 Mercedes-Benz SUV. The first thing you're gonna do is this air duct is right here. Basically, you're gonna use the screwdriver, push this down, two down, and move forward and remove it. All right, that's the air duct first. Then you remove the front part of the engine cover. It's just pull it up and pull it out. Now, the air filter box is right here. This is the holder. 1 and 2 over there. That's this kind of E10. You need that E10 socket. This is the E10 socket. All right, it's mostly for European car. That's the E10 socket, and that's the 2 screw. You remove that, the whole box can come out. Move forward. Before you do that, you have to untap this connector harness for the sensor. All right, intake sensor. And this is the clip. You have to use the wire and push forward and push up to unhook it, because this is going hook this way. All right, so once you get that, you can move the box out. Now you got 3 screws on this box. All right, this is to cover back on. All right, that's the old one right there. This screw is used T25. All right, T25 to remove this 3. 1, 2, 3 from the air filter box. So once this is a new one, and I always like to put a date on it so you can see it before you, if you want to change it for for the guy next time. So you see it, June 2022. So you know. Or maybe 6 months later, the guy say, I need an air filter. You say you don't need it. That's how you prove it, right? You mark it. So you remember and put this in and then install it. It's not difficult, but you just need to know the little trick here and there. All right? Enjoy